Hey guys, welcome to our channel SparshShaurya's World. My name is Sparsh.
My name is Shaurya.
So today my sister is going to tell you how to mix primary colors and secondary colors.
Her name is Vihaa.
She is our cousin.
Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you the primary colors. The red, yellow and blue are the primary colors. Tell you the secondary colors of this. So I take red and yellow and blue. So I tell you what happens then we mix it. Shaurya, please can you give me the 3 empty glasses?
Yes.
Thank you. So I tell you, then we mix it red and yellow. Then we what happened? So let's see what happened when we mix it red and yellow. Let me mix it. So its color is the orange. So let's mix yellow and blue. So let's mix. First we take yellow. So its color is a green.
Very nice.
So let's mix it red and blue. So first we take red. So it's a purple.
Yay!
So these all are colored secondary colors. So blue plus yellow is a green. So red plus yellow is the orange. Red plus blue is the purple.
Who has done this?
Yeah.
Wow, Vihaa, you have done this. I can't believe. It's a magic of the colors.
Thank you, my brothers. मैं फिर गोल गोल घूम के आता हूँ खेलने के लिए. Paints the mice primary colors. When red mouse jumped in the yellow bottle, this is the color orange. When we blue mouse dip the yellow color, she's color is the green. In the yellow mouse to the blue bottle, its color is the purple. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक करिए,
शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
थैंक यू,
धन्यवाद।